It's the Iron Trader after the pit closed. So we have two charts for you. First is going to be crude oil, and second will be natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. First, we have crude oil. You have your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart here. Now, today we put in just a little bit lower low, but it held this 21 here with no problem, and now we're making a higher high. So on the upside, what we want to look at here is we want to look at this 8 SMA here on your weekly chart. This is at 74.92. If it can close above, then we want to look here at this 50-day at 75.85. Then we want to look at this 21-day on the weekly chart at 77.12, then your 100 at 77.53, and then your retest here at 80.94. Okay, that will be your upside targets. Now, on your downside, you can see how nicely this 8 SMA here is curling up. So you want to watch the 71.46. If that is lost, then we want to look at the bottom of this candle here. Okay, which you're looking at 69.13. Then we're looking here at 66.82. And then your real key support levels here would be 66.36. This is your 200 SMA here on your weekly chart. And right here, you're looking at 65.38, your 50 SMA here on your monthly chart. Now, there is also a key support level right here. This is sitting at 72.62. That's your 200 SMA here on your monthly. Now, all of that would be your key support. But if you look at this chart here, this looks very, very bullish here. You had a nice bottoming candle here, went into the 8-day, closed back above, and now we're back above this 21. So my target right here now, if it can get above this key 8 SMA right here, then we'd be shooting for this 50-day SMA here. Now, oil is coming into its own here. You got summer driving coming in here. And then if you look over here on your MACD, you had a real nice cross above. That's always a very bullish sign. Your RSI here has a lot of room to run. And then you'll notice also here this on this MACD on here on a weekly, the divergence, okay, where you put in a lower here and a higher here, and then you put a lower on the price, and you got a divergence of a higher low. That's always a very bullish sign. So what you want to do is look at those SMAs, trade those SMAs from level to level. I use the ETF UCO for the long and SCO for the short. You can trade it many ways, options, whatever. But oil right now looks very bullish until it's not. All right, here we have a little natty gas, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, if we look over here, we put in a low of 1.967. But this low also here, if you look on the price channel, is 1.998, which is actually a higher low. Okay, so this is maybe this will start to turn, but watch this key level here. If that is lost, then we could trade all the way down to this 144. Now, there's a lot of support in between. I've already posted that. And if we lose this, I will repost all those numbers again down to that 144. Now, the sideways action is still looking good here. Basically, you have like a left shoulder here, a head, and your right shoulder. As long as this 196.7 holds, it's in good shape. Now, but what we need to do is this right here. It needs to close above this 8 SMA here. That's very, very critical at 1.59 and the 21 at 2.413. Then you have a shot here at 2.548, and then your retest is at 3.027. We want to watch this 8-day. Been pointing this out here on the weekly chart, 2.439. It needs to close above. Then we have a good shot of this carrying off and going higher. But your trading channel, 1.967, 3.027 is still intact right here. So right now what natural gas needs, it needs a catalyst. If we get a really hot summer, that's usually when natural gas will have a nice good good rally up. There's a lot of good upside targets to hit. But right now, it's just a really quick trade. I trade Boyle, B-O-I-L for the long, and K-O-L-D for the short. Now, cold KOLD has been some really good scalping here about the last 2 weeks here, ever since this price is right below this 8 SMA. So if it can close above, then we can get higher prices. Thanks for watching.